when you put the batteries in, you need to check this metal plate first, because you have to make sure that the batteries are placed in correctly. So the positive and the negative poles of the battery are facing correctly to this metal plate. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that when you get this thermometer, you have to leave it in your room, in your ambient temperature for more than 1 hour, because the sensor and the device needs to adjust itself to your ambient temp so as to give you a more accurate result. Here, right at the bottom, log, right, which means it can store up 32 measurement records. 4 buttons. This is the light button, you can turn it off or turn it on, and these 2 arrows for you to navigate through different choices. And the mode offers 4 choices. First is the mode 1, which is the alarm temperature. You can set a reference when taking the temperature. If now it is 42.8 degrees, this is the reference. I can change it. See, if the result of your temperature goes above this reference, it will trigger an alarm to tell you that your temp is not good, or it goes beyond that certain range. And this is the maximum is 42.9 degrees. And let's see the minimum. So the minimum is 37. Now the reference is 37. If my body temperature goes above 37, it will emit an alarm beep. This is mode 2, the correction mode. You can change the default value for your temperature. Now it's 0. If you want to change it, you can press the 2 modes, and this is the default value. Whenever you feel the final result of your measurement is not that accurate, you can change this default value. Sometimes you need use the mercury thermometer as a reference to adjust this default value. Third mode. The third mode is the alarm beeping sound mode. You can turn it on, turn it off. Surface mode, which means you can take the temperature of a certain object from its surface, or you can or you can choose to take someone's body temperature. This is the body temperature and the surface temperature.